Creating a living trust with LegalZoom is a great way to ensure your assets are managed and distributed according to your wishes, both during your lifetime and after. A living trust helps you avoid the lengthy and costly probate process, providing peace of mind that your estate will be handled smoothly. With LegalZoom, the process is simple, straightforward, and guided, making it easy for you to create a comprehensive trust. To start, visit LegalZoom's website and choose the living trust option. You'll be prompted to answer a series of questions about your assets, beneficiaries, and other important details. This helps LegalZoom generate a customized trust document tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're leaving property or investments or other assets to loved ones, the platform will guide you in including everything you need in the trust. Once your information is submitted, LegalZoom provides you with your living trust document and you can make revisions if needed. After the trust is created, you'll need to sign the documents in the presence of a notary, which is something LegalZoom can assist with in certain states. In addition to the trust itself, you can also set up other important estate planning documents through LegalZoom, like a will or healthcare directive, ensuring that all aspects of your estate are handled with care. Creating a living trust with LegalZoom is affordable and convenient and can give you confidence that your estate will be managed according to your wishes while avoiding the stress of probate. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment with any questions about creating your living trust.